Thank you. You know, it has been very open and we are very clear. We want to compete and our wish is to win. The reason why we want to win is because one, we want to make our fans happy. We want to make our stakeholders happy. We also want to guarantee return on what has been invested by the shareholders. So we are ready. This is an opportunity and we are happy also that in the league, tournaments are increasing. It shows that there has been increasing confidence in the PSL as corporates are coming in. So we are very happy and our role as Caps United Club is to compete, is to play football. So this is a chance for us.
And just talking about the chance presented, Java Cup presents a chance to take part in the CAF Confederations League. This Caps United, do you think you maybe just try to use that window that is available?
You see, yes, this is a do or die tournament. We have been very ambitious this season, and our target was also to play at international level, either by winning the league or by winning this inaugural cup. So it's a chance for us, and we are not going to play. We are going to do our best, and we are going to win it.
It may be the CAF competitions, the weekend game, coming after your 4-2 win over Highland. Do you think this is coming at the right time for Cape United?
Yeah, I think this has been the right time. It's very good winning, especially getting into a tournament like this. It motivates the boys. It also gives them a spirit to keep fighting and keep winning. So we are very happy. It's at the right time.